Finally, the AI or Die tour arrives in Latvia. Now, Latvia might sound a bit random at first, but for me, it really isn't. There's so many ties to Latvia. Actually, this is where the whole idea of the Africa tour started, so it's kind of a full circle moment. Also, Martins, who's been filming the whole tour, he's from here, and we get to know more about him and see how he lives. The book, AI or Die, Inna, who designed the book, she's also from Latvia, and we will visit her school and see how she has it. All in all, we also had a great show here in Latvia. A huge shout out to Intelligence Media for making it a reality and for winning all my money on poker night. All right, let's go. Back at it, man.
Yeah. So say something.
Like what?
I don't know, something catchy for people.
Something catchy for people, man.
Oh, okay.
So Martin just got his license.
It's the third day of my license. Let's see how I drive.
And this is the first time he's driving someone. But then I remember when I got my license, like the only thing I wanted to do was to pick people up. I was like, I could drive to like 10 cities away. I was like, no, it's on the way, it's on the way. No worries, bro.
I'm Peter.
Ah, hey man.
We chatted about having your coffee.
You were the one who had the Metera?
Metera,
yeah.
Well, I have to run. I have a meeting.
Yeah,
but
let's
nice.
find
Yeah, you as well.
Yeah.
Well,
nice to meet you.
welcome to Latvia.
Yeah, thanks man, thanks. Hi, good morning. I was gonna check in. I'm a bit early though. So the guy we met, he has an AI agency.
He's local from here?
Yeah. So builds agents and stuff like this. It's fully AI automated. All right, so we're about to enter the building to do the show here in Riga. So let's go. At least we got some good weather, It's like, I don't know, there's something weird with this tour. Like whenever we land in a country, it rains. Where you at, man? There you go.
Get the fuck out my face.
Good luck. Thank you. Thanks, man. Hi, and hopefully by the end of it, you will agree, will actually listen. And that you will take action. Because when I started my social media agency, I knew how to do it if you learned how to do it, and I spent all my focus, time and energy to learn it. Information in real time. My teacher used to tell me that, yeah, Google is good and all, but you can't trust the sources that is from there, and would you invest in Netflix? I think most people would say yeah.
Actually, I draw a lot of inspiration from you because I'm currently having print on demand, like a business, but it's still starting out. And actually, I just wanted to experiment everything generated with AI, which is pictures, and now I know videos and everything. So it's amazing, and you've done amazing job with this presentation. It's actually like a TED talk, and
really?
You had no notes, no screen, no nothing, and it's impressive. So
thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Can I have a picture with you?
Yeah, definitely.
Sell your company for $1 billion.
Oh, really? Yeah, flying from Riga, we're going to Warsaw and then to Alliance.
Okay. I haven't bought the tickets yet, but maybe we can meet there if I go.
Yeah,
I
definitely.
can also put you in contact with the organizer. Maybe you can talk with them as well.
Yeah, definitely, man.
Thank you.
That would be great.
Picture as well?
Yeah, definitely. Let's take a picture.
I heard the idea that tomorrow you can...
AI decides.
The day AI decides. That's so cool.
Candy?
She wants you to try candy.
Okay, so I
definitely.
have one candy, specific candy.
Yeah?
But the trick is you need to eat the soup first.
Okay.
To decide if the candy will be like a soup. So, did you eat the soup, the cold soup?
One.
No, I didn't eat the soup. I didn't eat the soup.
Didn't. Now I have a candy.
What the fuck is going on here?
So this is a candy.
Okay.
We have pink soup. It's a cold soup with the kefir. You know the kefir?
Yeah.
Milky kind of stuff.
Is it disgusting or what? Have you tried it? Then we do it together.
Okay. Do you want to record?
Yeah, actually.
How do you say cheers in
Uzveselību.
Uzvasamima?
Uzveselību.
Uzvazalibo?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, cheers. No,
It's like a borscht.
it's not like a borscht. What the? It's like tomato, kind of. If you ever tried, you know, sometimes when you drink too much alcohol, you feel like you need to puke. Eat this, and it will help you.
I don't agree. Like, yes, it's not as.
Go for it.
No. I wouldn't really buy it like to enjoy, but at the same time, I don't think it's a torture.
But is it like a cold soup?
No, at all.
No.
I don't think so. It's like a borscht.
All right, we just did our AI Dye show here in Riga, and I met Mel, who is a Latvian global influencer. Tomorrow, we're gonna do the classic, AI decides my day, and Mel is gonna join us where we decide our day in Riga.
We should try to do a Baltic breakfast here.
Dip it in salt and gurki.
Gurki.
Now you?
I'm just gonna suck it, bro. So we're here in Latvia, and for those of you who have been following the different vlogs and everything, you know that my camera guy, Martins, he's from Latvia, and now we're in his neighborhood. He's gonna guide us, and we're gonna see how this guy grew up and why he's so weird and never smiles. He's smiling.
Right now. Yeah, of course because we're home. You see there? That's how you call that in English? Kindergarten.
Oh, you have kindergartens in Latvia?
Yeah, we do.
That's a standing joke as well. You guys don't see that in our videos that much, but off camera, whenever Martin sees something that he
Like a
thinks,
pool,
like a pool or something, we actually got that in the video. It was like, and I'm always like, oh, you guys have that in Latvia?
And you know what? Today I was swimming in a pool as well.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, for 10 minutes. So probably there is a correlation.
Yeah. You like swimming, right?
Yeah.
Do you have pools in Latvia?
That's my room.
So this is where the magic happens.
Yeah.
Why are you editing someone else's work, man?
Sorry,
You work mainly and only for me, man. This right here, you guys see the pictures on my Instagram. There's like black and white, gray and whatever. This is the film camera. So whenever I write to you,
I'm sitting there.
I want to imagine it.
I have,
So he's sitting here, he's happy, he's like, and then, Alexander's writing, and he's like, yeah, but and then he's like, where's the videos? So I got it, so sent it. So it's like, that was so good. Or it's like this. Because you have no life when I'm not writing. So you're sitting, you're sleeping, and then finally. Hi Alexander, thank you for writing to me again. Yes sir, I have made all the videos you need. Thank you. Activate me whenever you want me again. Travel influencers will be like, I'm gonna visit each country.
That's a school I used to go to. And like here I had teachers who were telling me I will never succeed in my life. But now I'm with Alexander Morad. Like I saw a guy who made a post with some quotes from Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and then Alexander Morad. No, but actually that's cool.
Yeah, it was like quotes from top AI leaders.
Yeah.
Like Elon Musk, Zuckerberg, someone else, Sam Altman, and then Alexander Morad. And I was just scrolling, I was like, what the fuck?
That's a Nigerian guy. He was on our last event.
Yeah. Wait. These cats be fighting, man. Cats be territorial.
No, they're talking.
Her skin is like the fur.
Oh yeah,
like,
true.
So like here in Latvia, cats crazy, man. If we intercept, they will fight with us till one of us die. No, I don't know.
Like you like cats, so you know the language. Damn, Namibia, I think it's enough.
Nah.
No, it's about to cry.
Are these street cats?
Would they?
Yeah.
Do you have street cats?
Yeah, but they
don't have a home. Right?
They don't?
I don't think people get the damn Namibia reference, by the way. Like, people gotta be like, what the fuck is he talking about?
So I'm explaining these jokes to you.
Yeah, thank you.
He had a voiceover for Namibia. at the end of the video it was like, damn Namibia, I think I fell in love with you, and you know, like B-rolls going.
Damn Namibia, Windog, I think I fell in love with you.
Every time we're trying to figure out some voiceover for a new country, the most perfect is just, damn Nigeria, I think I fell in love with you. And like now, it's damn Imansa, I think I fell in love with you.
Now we are about to see Morad Academy. I would say you can't just get here on your own. You need some keys. Now when the door is open you can, but like usually you can't.
So it's an art school, right?
Yes, it's art.
So everyone here is studying different type of art?
Yes.
Bro, your heart.
If I do it so hard then it's gonna...
True. Think it's impossible to get it.
Maybe it's impossible to reach heaven.
True.
Maybe that's the... This is so cool. So it looks like it's a room.
Yeah.
Oh, so this person draw the same thing in each one, but with different colors, kind of, right? There's copy machines for that you can use. It's...
You can actually do that with AI. Yeah.
Actually.
Like you can just go to office and stop doing art, like bro.
Yeah.
But also it doesn't really look human.
Yeah.
People are like, when you generate pictures with AI, if it doesn't look 100% like a human, they're like, it's not good enough. But like, when we draw it, doesn't,
Yeah.
right? Like, maybe ChatGPT is just being artsy. You know?
No.
But what's your opinion? Because you like art and you do a lot with arts. Do you think good art needs to be explained?
To be what?
Explained.
Yes.
Shouldn't good art be a subject to your perception?
Okay, think about it. I'm telling you a story,
Okay, tell me.
and you're like, you can see what is going to be the final of the story, and I tell you, and the final is exactly like you imagined.
Yeah.
Do you like this?
No.
Or do you like it when you're like expecting something?
Yeah.
And then I'm like, boom, no, this happened. And you're
No,
like,
but
oh.
I like when you can interpret it. Like for me,
Of course.
my favorite movies is like, and TV shows is like when you can have a discussion and you're like, no, the ending was about this. And I'm like, no, the ending was actually this. Depending on how you see it, right? So for me, art, what I appreciate with art is like everyone has their own like filter bubble of what they believe based on their, so good art for me is something that anyone can look at. But this is the difference, I think, for me. Like, but this is why like art is very subjective, right? For me, it's like if he explains it, I would definitely be like, oh shit, that's what it means, right?
Yeah.
But then it stops being art for me. Then it stops being art and it becomes an explanation. It becomes information. It becomes facts, right? So that's the difference. Like, there's a lot of TV shows, movies, where the producer have explained it, and then it's not a subject of art anymore, because then it's like, oh, okay, that's exactly what it is. But I'm just explaining my, like, what I like art, where like, when you ask the one who made it, the producer, is like, for me, it's like, I have my own thought of what it is, but I want everyone to build their own. That's when it becomes like, oh, that's really artsy in a way. Are people competitive here? Like, I mean, like, could people be like, I want to ruin this person's art because it's going so good for them?
Like, no, they don't do that. If you leave something, it's gonna be the where you left it. These are like sculptures.
Yeah.
Here's the wire. And you know, to not spend money, the professor after the presentation just break your work, takes all the wire like to the next person, do something. So like for my work, I took someone's hand made out of wire and just rewired it. So like that.
Remember I told you in the previous podcast,
Yeah.
Latvians buy a lot of beer.
Yeah. Shit. I didn't know if you guys had or not, so we just brought the wine to you. But we don't drink, so like, don't count us in. But please drink so we can make money out of you guys. So
All right.
it's a sunny day. It's great. Maybe get some black balsam, you know, mix it with Coke, mix it vodka, you know.
Yeah.
You know, go all in tonight, bro. Yeah. You don't have to worry. I'll take care of you guys. You don't have to worry, all right?
This is our champion.
Yeah. Okay.
Careful.
You shouldn't say that before. Now I know. The one who loses first will go around and be like, "Sir, can I interest you in some?"
Would you like to drink?
Yeah, can I interest you in some sauce? Can I interest you?
All right, €10. Fine.
Yeah. The bro is straight to business, man. We can't even breathe, say something funny. He's like, where's the money?
I might.
Show your hands. He has 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. But you don't have anything.
Okay, show the rest of the cards.
No,
show the rest of the cards.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, 3, yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's not me.
2 pairs. And you have nothing.
Crazy.
Oh my god. Bro, this is...
Congrats. Back in the game.
Going with my own phone, you know?
Yeah, you got it, bro. Yes. Oh, too much.
Alright, so Riga was beautiful. I got to meet Martin's family. I got to meet, see where he works. I get to do my show and meet a lot of people, have a lot of fun. Kind of feels like a second Europe home actually. But now we're done with that, so time to hit the airport and go to France. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and as always, stay bright.